Medyo naskam ako lang, guys. Sobrang sakit na ulo ko kanina pa. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Today guys, nasa Boracay tayo. Kasi magbabakasyon tayo. Ulit. And we're gonna spend the entire week here. Hindi man entire. But today is Sunday. Ang balik namin is Thursday. And pagbalik namin ang
Picture mo na ng mga ano natin.
Ano ba yan? Nagbablog ako.
Ano ba yun?
So, ayun guys. Magkapahinga muna kami kasi napagod kami. Ang flight namin here was 10 a.m. So, alas 6 pa lang gising na kami. Pero, kumain naman na kami kanina guys. Dun sa may Katiklan. Nag-insert na lang ako ng clips guys. So, makain kami doon. Kain na!
Can you eat the rest of the pancake?
Mag-house tour muna tayo, guys. Ito yung entrance natin, guys. And then, we have issue rack here sa tabi lang ng door. And then, may drying rack tayo. Dining table. And then, here's the kitchen. And then, so, itong space na to is just our living space. And then, we have our balcony here. Ayan. Ang ganda. Tapos, this is the bedroom. Tapos, may view din dito. Wow! So, ayun lang yung house tour namin, guys. We are just gonna go rest muna and get ready. We're on the way sa Dimo. Hi guys, we're here na sa Dimo. First time namin dito sa Dimo, guys. So cute. Ano ba? Natin si mother ng dress. Zane!
What is it?
Ayun o, yung Halo Mango. We're gonna try it. First Halo Mango of the trip ko. Ay, tunaw na siya. Ang sabak nila sa fresh, fresh mango, no? Yum. Nakalabas na kami sa Dimol, guys. Kaya, we're here right now sa my beach. Ang dami ng tao. Grabe, kakadating lang namin din. And so nice kasi nabutan namin yung salsa. Kaya they're just taking pictures right now. Actually, you guys, uwi na talaga si mama. Kasi talaga, culture shock talaga. Ganun talaga ako sa... Ay, hindi na po kuya, thank you. Hanap lang kami na basurahan, guys. And I think we're gonna eat si Jollibee. Jollibee. I'm trying to mount yung camera sa guys, sa puno.
Chicken.
I just found here sa Dimol. It's a cat calendar. Kit ito, I have the exact same one. Grabe mahal dito sa Boracay. Anyways, pauwi na kami guys. I love Boracay.
Whole coconut.
Do you want some chips?
I think I want the coconut jellies.
Coconut jelly, that one?
Yes.
Kasi siya ng shot glass. So siya gusto siguro ng ganyan. Small lang ata siya. Ay, ganito. Oh, may shirt.
Ano gusto mo? Gantang?
Sabi si mama, magpapamassage na siya. Are you gonna try that?
Yes.
What does it taste like?
Gummy.
Hi guys, kakauwi lang namin galing D-Mall. It's 9 o'clock na already. Tapos si Sian bumili nito. Pure calamansi. I'm just gonna try it. Come here.
Can I try it first?
I want to try it first.
Okay.
What does it taste like? Is it sour?
A lot, but yeah.
So, ayun. Nandito ako sa dining. Mag-isa. And, honestly, I'm just gonna rest for a little bit. Pero, I do need to look at my school portal kasi I think I missed some requirements. Maybe. Hi, guys. So, it's currently 6:33 sa umaga. Kadang init. So, dito kami sa labas. Kasi, we are just waiting for the hop on hop off. Kasi, pupunta kami sa market na yun. Chicken inasal, guys.
Ito, ang sarap ng ito.
He doesn't want. So, yun guys, kakabalik lang namin sa Airbnb namin. After namin mag-lunch guys, doon lang kami nag-lunch sa Island Chicken Inasal kasi medyo pagod na kami para kumain kasi we didn't have breakfast din bago kami umalis. So, but yeah, si mama naman, she's gonna cook. I think she's gonna cook dinner na. So, ayun guys. We are just going to rest kasi napagod talaga kami. Hi guys, it's currently 5:12 and matawin na kami ngayon sa beach. Yung beach pala na pupunta namin guys called New Coast kasi nasa New Coast tayo. Hi guys, we're almost there. Siguro mga 3-minute walk na lang siya. I'm gonna get this. Nandito na kami. Finally. Hindi na kami naligo guys. And I'm gonna go eat. Hey guys. So we're back at our Airbnb and it's currently 8:32 PM na. And actually kanina pa kami nakabalik guys. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko kanina pa. And inasid ako. So nagsuka ako kanina guys. Kaya ang ulam natin ngayon is nilagang beef na walang lasa. Pero yun guys, ina-acid talaga ako pag kumain ako ng salty o mga spicy na food. Which I've been doing every single day for the past couple of weeks. So, ayun guys, balik tayo sa bland na foods. Hi guys, update. It's currently 10:57. Grabe mag-11 na. And it's been a really long day today. And right now, I'm just on my laptop kasi I need to do a paper assessment kasi we had a group work nung nakaraan. And ang due date niya is today. Good morning guys. It's currently 9 AM na. I woke up a little while ago, kaya right now, nagluluto lang ako ng breakfast ko. I'm just cooking some shrimp. And we have rice pa naman and then sabaw. We're gonna go eat na. Hi guys, I just got ready kasi tapos kami kumain. Kasi we are going sa Puka Beach para mag-take ng crystal kayak pictures guys. Pero ano ba yung siya? Hi guys, we're here na sa Puka Beach. Sa pangangin dito guys. Ang gagawin talaga namin dito guys is actually mag-crystal kayak lang kami and then we're gonna go swim. And it's currently 11:43. So like super tirik ng araw ngayon guys. Grabe guys, nasa paradise ako. What do you mean? Nasarap ako ng beach tapos may lumilipad na helicopter sa taas. Hi guys, update. It's currently 4:40 PM. And nandito lang ako sa labas ng Airbnb namin because punta akong D-Mall. By the way pala guys, mag-isa lang ako. Grabe, alone in Boracay. Kasi si mama, she wanted to stay muna sa Airbnb. Ako kasi gusto ko kumain sa labas. Although kakain ko lang talaga, sure. Pero I'm gonna go there to like eat and look for some souvenirs kasi may nagusto akong fan nung nakaraan. And gusto ko talaga siya bilhin kasi I can put my name on it. Like, I'll catch you guys in a bit pag nandun ako sa D-Mall. Hi guys, I made it. Dito na ako sa D-Mall. To be sure, I'm not sure kung anong gagawin ko. Saan ang pupunta. Kasi I came here to eat. Pero sumasakit na naman yung tiyan ko guys. Look for a souvenir. Tapos ko yung fan na ko kahapon guys. You guys, it's done na. Kaya ikot na muna. It's so cute! Ikot ko na lang siya guys kasi hindi kayo maubos. Hey guys, I'm already outside and it's golden hour na. By the way, I just came from Fiesta, yung Souvenir Cafe, and I got their famous Coco Matcha na tinikot. Kasi hindi ko na siya carry ubusin doon. And I want to watch yung sunset na yun, guys. Look at the sunsetting you guys. Ang ganda. Hindi ako nakapag-video kanina kasi nahiya ako. Kasi super small lang nung space and ako lang yung walang kasama doon. So like parang ang weird na. By the way guys, I think I'm gonna get a poke bowl mamaya. Kasi alam niyo guys, yung nakarap ako nag-crave ng raw fish. Gusto ko talaga kumain ng sushi. Ito yung souvenir na I was talking about nung nakaraan pa. Kasi hindi namin to binili. Actually, alam niyo ba guys, nung nakaraang araw, in-offer na to sa akin ng 100 pesos. Tapos ngayon, like, nung bibili na ako, in-offer nila sa akin for 150. So, medyo na-scam ako nun, guys. Actually, you can get this one anywhere else. Pero, nagustuhan ko yung pattern niya, guys. Kasi may, ano siya, guys. So, merong moon. Tapos, may mga stars. And if you guys know, mahilig ako sa stars. Grabe, guys. Look at this. Holy shit. Ang ganda! Grabe, guys. I'm living my dream right now. Kasi, like, what do you mean na nanonood ako ng sunset? By the beach. With a matcha. Like, this is my dream talaga. Coconut water, guys. First time ko makatikim ng ganitong matcha actually. And it's so bomb. Life is so good talaga, guys. And I'm really grateful na nandito ako ngayon. Anyways, alis na ako. Totoo na, tama na yung yapping. You guys, I'm on my way sa Island Bones. Hi guys, I'm here na sa Island Bones and I'm just waiting for my order. Salmon poke bowl ang order. Yes naman! Kinikilig ako guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, can you believe that? Grabe, ang colorful. Oh my god, it looks so good. You guys, this is busing. Hi guys, so pauwi na ako. Real na. Uwi na talaga ako guys. Hi guys, I'm back na. And it's currently 8:30 p.m. I just got unready. Kaya ngayon, balik tayo sa paggawa ng schoolwork. Need ko lang actually mag-peer assessment. And then, I have to get started sa isang project ko, guys.
Ano po Kapala ka.
8:56 na, guys. Nakaila kami ng breakfast.
Okay lang.
So, yun guys, sa labas lang kami ng Airbnb namin and we're just waiting sa bus kasi punta kami sa Puka Beach. Hi guys, we're here sa Puka Beach and I decided to get my hair done na talaga kasi we're leaving naman ako We're back dito guys sa Puka Beach kasi magpapakaya ko si mama. By the way, this is how it looks like. Thank you! Pinihintay lang namin si Kuya. Kasi kinukuha niya pa yung kayak niya. Maganda magpa-kayak kay Kuya. Tapos maganda yung picture niya. I really like my bracelet. Hindi ko sure kung gusto ko pa mag-swimming kasi nagpa-brace na. Thank you po. Doon lang kami guys sa Dynamite. Sa Puka Beach. So, date night is currently 12:46 na and nandito lang kami sa pool. Update guys, it's currently 3:40 p.m. and kakatapos ko lang mag-get ready. Actually, kanina, pagkadating namin dito, galing sa pool, nakatulog ako. And, oh my god, is that a bunny? May nakita kong, oh, may pusa pala. Anyways, ayun guys. We are going to D-Mall. Kasi last day na namin. And this is our last time mapanood yung sunset dito. And I have to watch the sunset dito. I have to. At saka hindi ko pa natatry yung Mango Mama. Gusto ko talaga i-try. Ito yung fit check ko ngayon. Anyways, we are gonna go na. We'll catch you guys there. Hi guys, time check. It's currently 4:26 na and we're here na sa D-Mall guys. Gusto ko sana ng falafel guys kasi it's right there. But mag-mango mama muna kami. Yes! We're here na guys. We're gonna go na guys. I got it! Tunaw na siya guys. So I'm gonna take a bite. Sarap. Ang sarap ng latik. Ang sarap niya talaga. I'm still hungry. Buti na wala yung sakit ng tiyan ko pagkahapon. Balik siya sa Jollibee. Jollibee. Oh my God. Ay, M&M. Sa baba na lang sa'yo. Baka hindi mahirapan siya kasi bar stool dun eh. Hey guys, nandito kami sa Jammers. Isang honey glazed. Honey glazed po. Yes po. May rice po yan. Ayun guys, we're just waiting for our food. Ang ganda ng view ko dito guys. Kasi beachfront tong restaurant na ganda.
Big restaurant.
Hi guys, we just got done eating here sa Jammers and masarap pala dito. And also the sun is starting to set na guys, kaya we're gonna go na and mag-picture muna. Hi guys, update. We are just here by the beach. Papanoorin lang na naman ang sunset. Grabe guys, nakusog ako dun sa Jammers. Hindi ko sure kung kaya ko pa kumain. Gabi guys, wala na. Tapos na siya. My last sunset here sa Boracay. No more na. Inaantok na ako guys. Guys, parang gusto ko muna mag-matcha. Hindi muna kasi maaga yung flight namin tomorrow guys. We have to wake up at... Actually, we need to wake up at 4 eh. But I think that's gonna be 5 na. By the way guys. Uwi na kami. Natingin lang ng souvenir si mama, guys. Hindi siya pinayagan bumili.
Pati one. The mango chew. This one, very.
May favorite siya. I think I'm gonna get one. Para kay Gilbert. Gilbert, gusto mo ba to? Wala na, binili ko na. Souvenir ulit, guys. Guys, inantok na ako, guys. Kapagod na ako. I found something. I think this one's nice, oh. This one. Nagutom ko na kumitaw sa likod. Color orange na edit. Hi guys, tapos na kami sa D-Mall. Kaya pupunta naman kami sa 7-Eleven because I'm going to buy my snacks. Hi guys! 8:44 na. Nakauwi na kami. Hi guys, I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.